In today's video, we'll cover how to remove payment methods on Prizepicks. Now, the reason so many people are asking this question and why you're probably asking this question is because you can see the add funds section on the top right and you've clicked on the button, but you just can't actually remove the payment method. And that is because here on Prizepicks website, they say that you can only remove a payment method after 60 days since your first deposit using said payment method, which is actually extremely nasty work on Prizepicks end here. So if you've added a card, you've got to wait an entire 2 months and you need to have made a deposit before they'll even let you think of removing your own card. But if you do fit the criteria, just make sure you're logged into Prizepicks. On the top right, you'll see the add funds section and you'll see a trash can icon next to your payment method. Click on that and you're good to go. If it's not there, it means you're not in your 60-day period. On that note, I would say be cautious, as that just seems like a very odd business practice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It helps our channel grow. And I'll see you in the next video.